All right, those are just 6 mini cans of regular Sprite on top of my berries. Now I'm just coming in with some Simply orange juice. I don't have any regular oranges at home right now, but I am just going to grate a little bit of zest from my mandarin orange here, right on top of all these delicious berries and our Sprite and orange juice. Just knock that all in there right off of my zester. Ooh, smells fantastic. All right, I'm gonna give this a good stir. We are making a delicious holiday favorite, but we're doing a summertime version of it right now. This is gonna be super, super tasty, yummy, and it's a take on a kind of candy we like to make for Christmas. But like I said, this is gonna be the summer version. Alrighty, y'all, I'm gonna soak these in my fridge for a couple hours, but you can leave them up to overnight if you prefer. Alrighty, everyone, we've been letting our fruit soak for a couple hours. I'm just gonna start grabbing some up in my strainer here, making sure we're getting all of that orange juice out. And I'm gonna start placing these into a bowl here. Now, as we were saying, this is a kind of traditional candied thing they do with cranberries for Christmas, but we wanted to adapt it for summertime flavors. So that's why we use the blueberries, raspberries, our grapes, and of course, same orange juice and Sprite, but this is looking super good. Okay, I'm gonna start with that amount, y'all. And to this, we're gonna add some powdered sugar, and I'm just gonna kind of eyeball it. That looks good. We'll start with that amount. We can always add more. And now my bowl here, I am gonna put this lid on, but of course you can always put this in a plastic bag if you don't have a bowl like this with a lid. And we're gonna start giving this a shake and a mix. We wanna get these berries all covered in that powdered sugar mixture. Okay, I'm definitely gonna have to add more powdered sugar because they were a little wet. All right, let's try this again. And it's a good little workout for your arms too. What we got here? Perfect. All right, guys, we're just giving these a little toss with the spatula here to make sure. But see, they're covered in kind of a glaze. And now what we're gonna do, I've got a baking sheet here with some parchment paper. I'm gonna start spreading these out. Perfect. Make sure I'm getting them all. And we're just gonna kind of give these a nice little spread out here onto our parchment paper. Perfect. This is gonna be super, super yummy. Alrighty, I'm gonna be popping these into my oven at 200 degrees for just about 10 minutes. Alrighty guys, we have these in our oven at 200 degrees for 8 minutes. And now we're just gonna try some of our sweet popping summer candy. Can't wait to try it. Okay, it's a little different than the Christmas one. Maybe if I put these in the fridge overnight, we might get a little closer to that texture. But y'all, still delicious. Gotta try it.